After Qualcomm's incredible performance with the S23 lineup this year, Samsung has made the decision to bring back the Exynos chip, specifically the most recent Exynos 2400 that will be inside the Galaxy S24 series. Ultimately, this decision was made due to cost-cutting. You'll see a sizable number of Android smartphones switching to MediaTek flagship chips or Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 chip next year instead of the 8 Gen 3 because Qualcomm has priced the 8 Gen 3 chip for next-generation 2024 flagships much higher than their previous generation prices. The Exynos 2400 is a 10-core CPU chip with a potential 12-core GPU that is said to be 2 times faster than the Exynos 2200. Samsung won't be doing that instead. They're going for their own Exynos 2400 processor, which they spent 2 years developing. Now that the new report from China is complete, we know exactly what kind of specs this chip will have. It will be made using Samsung's allegedly improved 4nm process, but only time will tell if it is as good as the 4nm TSMC process that will be used on the 8 Gen 3. What is known is that it will also use one Cortex-X4 CPU core, which is similar to the 8 Gen 3, but clocked a bit lower at 3.1 GHz. I hope there will be some kind of boost clock speed, and the camera ISP will be as strong as the most recent Exynos 5300 modem, which was unveiled earlier this year, will support two-way satellite communication. As for the GPU, Samsung will use the most recent Eclipse 920 GPU, which is again said to be 2 times faster than the previous generation. Hopefully, this will allow it to match or come close to the performance that we're going to see on the 8 Gen 3. Samsung has begun developing the firmware for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, which is based on Android 14 and may have One UI 6.1. In addition, we have our first ever look at the S24 series physical components. Since all 3 models' batteries are the same size as those in the previous S23 lineup, with the exception of the S24 Plus, the biggest efficiency gains will likely come from the newest chipsets. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.